Well, everybody, it's that time of day. Well, let's just say night, for example. Yeah, let's just say night. Because, as we all know, tonight is the farewell night of the Wishes farewell season at Disney World. Yep, absolutely right, folks. Tonight is the final night of the Wishes farewell season at Disney World. Yeah. So anyway, if you want to go see the Wishes fireworks show one last time, make sure you do it. Because before you know it, the next night, the Wishes fireworks show is going to be gone. Yep, it's going to be gone forever. Kaput. All gone kaput. Nada. Yup, the show will be replaced by Happily Ever After, just so you know. So anyway, guys, I'm just telling you guys that tonight is the farewell season of the Wishes fireworks show at Disney World. And, if you're at Disney World right now, getting ready for the final night of the Wishes farewell season, then I hope you, before I turn the camera off, let me just say a farewell message to the Wishes show. Wishes, I would like to wish you a fun farewell tonight. Thank you for showing us your show at Disney World for nearly 13 years. Yep, that's all I want to say. I hope you have well wishes. I hope you have a fun farewell. And we will always remember you in our hearts. Yep, we will always remember you in our hearts dearly. Well, anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little goodbye message to the Wishes fireworks show at Disney World. And right now, it's time for the Wishes farewell season.